How to use Canva on Android phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva on Android phone. In order to use Canva on Android phone, first of all, you will need to download the authentic Canva application on your mobile device. For that, you will need to go to the Play Store of your device or any app store available on your device in order to search for it. And then find the authentic application there and then download it to your device. Once you have downloaded it, now you can use your Canva application. Canva is a versatile graphic design tool that allows users to create designs for social media, presentation, posters, videos, and many more. Now once you have downloaded it, open the application on your device, and soon after opening the application, you will land on this homepage. Here now you will need to sign in or create an account on it. If you already have an account, then you may simply use this continue with Google or continue with Facebook option and then use your credentials in order to log into your account. And if you are new to Canva, then you can simply select one of these options and then you will need to create an account on it. Here I am selecting continue with Google option. Simply tap on it. Here in this page, I am selecting continue another way option. And from here, select continue with email. Now here, enter your email address. To entering the email address, tap on this continue button and then a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code and once you receive it, enter it in this field. And after that, it will start verifying the code. Once it is successfully verified, you will be taken to the Canva dashboard. Now, once you open this homepage, you will be able to explore it. At the top, you'll be able to see different categories like Facebook posts, flyers, social media, video, etc. You can tap on any of these categories to view the templates specific to that type of design. Also, you may tap on the plus button at the bottom of your screen to start a new design. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with this screen. Now from here, you can choose from the preset dimensions like video, presentation, TikTok video, logo, or you may also select the custom size and then there you will need to enter the width and height of your canvas. Once after entering the width and height of canvas, you can tap on create new design and then you can go to your canvas page. Now from here, you can explore the library of templates or search for a specific template using the keywords. Now, in order to customize your design, you may tap on the text icon at the bottom and then add a new text by tapping on add a text box at the top. Also, to insert the images, you can tap on the gallery icon at the bottom and then upload your own image from your phone's gallery. If you'd like to change the colors and fonts, you can select any elements. For that, tap on the elements icon at the bottom and then use the toolbar to customize the colors, fonts, and size. You may also use this Elements tab to add the stickers, shapes, lines, and other graphics. And after customizing your design, you can tap on the download icon at the top right corner and then you'll be able to choose the preferred format in order to save it to your phone or share directly via social media or messaging application. So you can use Canva's mobile application for quick edits and design. You can explore the features like animation and effects for more dynamic designs. And you can return back to the home page and access your saved design anytime from this interface or the recent design section. So by following these steps, you can easily create professional designs using Canva. This is how you can use Canva on Android phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.